This is a poem for Philippine Independence Day. Philippine Independence Day, it is our birthright to be independent and present our liberty and freedom. It is wisdom on the part of the country to celebrate it with responsibility and joy. The country ended domination from the foreign nations and truly became People's Republic with grants of civil rights and basic rights. The country is happy but not showing visibly as coronavirus assists the country with the outbreak of pandemic and deaths, making it so tragic. The country shall pay instead respect to the departed, who courageously responded to the call bravely and daringly. The country is proud of its people who have not struggled but observed each all and saved the country from disastrous spell. Your people deserve to be congratulated for showing sympathy and clearly states that the country is first and its people. If the country is strong and stable, so as the individuals in this land. Happy Independence to everybody.
All right. Thank you, Adela.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Pinasingawan.
Araw ng Kalayaan. Maligayang araw ng kalayaan, aking inambayan. Ngunit, malaya nga ba ang iyong mamamayan? Mga kababayan kong sagad sa kahirapan, malaya ba sila sa dinaranas na kapighatian? Ito ba ang kalayaan ipinaglaban sa mga dayuhan? Nauwi ba sa kawalan ang ipinamalas na kabayanihan? Dalangin ko sa may kapal na sana'y mga tauhan, ang mga nagsasabing sila'y mga lingkod bayan. Naway maisip nila kapakanan ng mga taong bayan, mga mamamayang lukbok sa dusat kalungkutan, dahil sa mga nangungunong gahaman sa kapangyarihan, mapag-imbot at magnanakaw sa kaban ng bayan. Naway liwanagin ng poong may kapal ang kanilang kaisipan para sa ating inang bayan.
Philippine Independence Day. Acronyms of Philippines. Philippines Independence Day, H, had been proclaimed beneath 12 of Jan. It was the year 1898. Liberation lives beneath the moon. It was the freedom from foreign control. Promise of reform was made. Peace process in the country. Iced the war as the smoke and did fade. Nation's Independence Day was initiated by Emilio Aguinaldo. E, ending the 300 years of Spanish rule, the Philippine flag began to grow. Independence. Independence Day of the Philippines never departs from our mind. Dramatic growth of nationalism emanates the bright yes shrine. Philippine Independence Day explains the Filipinos' valor. Never will he remain slave, invading any alien conqueror. Every man of the world needs to be freed from soul colonizer. Christ has built his church. Each one is ordered to enter. Don't waste the given chance. Ask for the righteous way. Yes, it's more important than Philippine Independence Day. Above all, it was the nation given of God in Asia alone. The Philippines, the only Christian nation in Asia. So thank you, Lord.
Kalayaan jokes.
Yes.
Number 1. Kung may libreng kasal sa February 14, araw ng mga puso, dapat may libre ding annulment sa June 12, araw ng kalayaan. Okay, ito. Amo at hardinero. Sabi ng amo, "Huy, ang tamad mo ha? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, diligan mo ang halaman?" Sabi ng hardinero, "Sir naman, umuulan naman." Sabi ng amo, "Palusot ka pa ha? Magkaputi ka, magkaputi ka." Okay. Next. Isang araw, dalawang magkaibigan nakasakay sa MRT. Okay, boy 1. "Pare, nakahiya tayo." Sabi ng boy 2, "Bakit naman?" Boy 1, "Yung matanda nakatayo, tayo nakaupo.
Nakaupo.
Ayoko makakita ng matandang mahihirapan." Sabi ng boy 2, "Ako din. Tara, pikit tayo." Next, Maria and Juan. Sabi ni Maria, "Mahal, paano kung hindi na ako sexy? At tumaba na ako ng sobra? Ikikiss mo pa ba ako?" Sabi ni Juan, "Oo naman, mahal. Goodbye kiss." Goodbye kiss.
Goodbye, kiss.
Okay.